Motivation feels powerful. When it's there, everything feels possible. You start strong. You plan more. You expect consistency. But motivation is a bad strategy. Not because it's useless, but because it's unreliable. Motivation depends on how you feel. And feelings change with sleep, stress, mood, and energy. On a good day, motivation feels like momentum. On a bad day, the same task suddenly feels heavy. This is where most people get confused. They think the problem is a lack of motivation, so they wait for it to return, or they try to force it. But the real problem is relying on motivation in the first place. Motivation is reactive. It responds to emotion, environment, and pressure. Systems don't. Systems work the same way on good days and bad days. They reduce the number of decisions you need to make. They lower friction instead of increasing effort. That's why consistent progress rarely comes from motivation. It comes from structure. From routines that don't ask how you feel first. Motivation still has value. It's great for starting. But it's a weak foundation for continuing. Clear thinking replaces motivation with systems. Because systems don't depend on feelings. They depend on design. That's plain thinking.